first walking vlog. And I'm here now at the Thomson Nature Park. It's the latest nature park here in Singapore, and I'm just trying the trail. So hopefully you could keep up with me, and let's see if I can survive the trail. See you later. You guys are asking what really pushed me to restart my running or my trail running. It's because I gained weight again, and as you know, I'm getting married. I need to lose all of these fats. Yeah. So there's like a prohibited trail over here, so I guess it's like part of the former trail. So we're going this way. Ooh. Wow. It reminds me of Japan. No, not really. Yeah. It's so quiet here. And you can see this bamboo, which sort of forms like a fence. Huh. It seems like an ATV track over here. And look, there's like a family taking a photo there. Stagnant water, good for dengue. Oh, it's not. It's not stagnant. Because there's some sort of a flow here. It goes where? It's a nice question. Nature. I really love nature. Especially if it's all greens and the fresh air. So nice. Oh, I think there's a ruin over here. They say it's an old village. So yeah, they've got some concrete structures here. It's really not that many. I can hear something. What's that? Alright, let's just continue the trail. Just for stretching. Stretching, huh? Oops. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of mosquitoes. I better get going. So I'm quite tired, but I think I still can do this. Not to mention that I did run or walk going here, so I spent a little bit of energy going here, but yeah, it's still worth it. It's a new park. What more can you say? And there's not much people, so I guess it's a nice experience. See, it's only me here. There's a few ruins here again, because they say it's a former village, or like the remnants of a former village, and you could see a giant balete tree here. see some more ruins. I think it's a farmer house. Looks like a house. Wow. You got this eerie feeling. Oh. But it's okay. As long as it's morning, you can survive. Wow. And you have that inodoro over there. Oh, there's the road. I survived. So yeah, as I was saying, I came into this realization that I've gotten fatter again and I need to lose weight ASAP. So I'm getting married next year. And yeah, I think it's a standard, or I don't know. Is it like a needed thing? Let's see. It's raining. I should be running. Wow, this is nice. So I ran because it's starting to rain. That's a real run for me. Whew. And I'm going back to the main entrance because yeah, it's starting to rain. See you later. See you there. Alright, it's a nice view over here. All greens. So that ends my first ever walking / trail running vlog. So if you want to see more vlogs or videos of me doing other stuff, please hit the subscribe button or click the notification bell over here. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!